First, we're going to grab our thread. So I got my thread, and then I have my bobbin, which is the clear thing. Unravel it, and we're going to take this thing off and just place it right where that goes, right there. Now we're going to put that back so the thread doesn't, go off when it's time to do the bobbin. So part one of thread machine is threading this, which is the bobbin, just putting thread around the bobbin. So that's what we're about to do right now. Now we're going to grab the thread, and then we're going to go to the first hook is number 1, and then we're going to go do a little loop around this right here. Now we're hooked to number 1. This design right here, the way it's drawn is the same exact way we're going to go around this silver thing, the same exact way. Just look closely, not right there, above it, yep. And we're just going to do the same exact thing. It's super simple, I promise. The next step is placing the thread inside the bobbin hole. On a bobbin, there are 2 holes. There's a hole on the top, and then there's a hole on the bottom. For this, we're working with the top hole. So you just want to get your thread, and you want to place it from the inside to the outside. And again, this is the top hole. So you just want to place your thread from the inside of the top hole to the outside, and you just want to pull it. Then place it down, and then push it to the right. If you press down on the pedal and the bobbin is still to the left, you're just going to sew. Like the needle is going to go up and down, and you're going to actually sew. And that's kind of dangerous, so you want to push it to the right so you can wind the bobbin. And of course, you're going to put your foot on the pedal and just go. And it's going to wind. Once it go around like a good amount of times, good amount of times, then I just cut it. And then I keep winding until there's no more to wind. Wait, no, I lied. Keep winding until it just stops, because, well, at least for this machine, it just automatically stops. So once the bobbin is full enough, you want to just push it to the left again, then take it off and cut it. Most home machines usually work like the same way, because I have singers and I have, I think, one brother, or is this? I think it's a brother, but yeah, just take that off so we can place the bobbin in it. And then now our bobbin is going to be a P. Make sure it's a P, and then we're just going to place it down. And then I'm just going to get like a closer view. Hold up. So I can't really explain this part, but there's a hook. So there's like one little hook right here, and then there's another like kind of a little hook right there. I don't know, but the next clip is going to be a slower version, so hopefully you understand it when I slow it down. And then just close it back. So now we're done dealing with the bobbin. The next part is just threading the actual sewing machine. I feel like this is the easiest part because you just follow the numbers. So we're already at 1. Now we're going to go to 2, which is this little hook right here. Now we're hooking it to number 2. Number 3 is just going straight down. Number 4 is just going straight back up. And then number 5, we're going to have to turn our hand wheel towards us so this little metal piece goes up. So 4, then 5, like that, and then go back down, and then we'll go to another view. I feel like if anything, this is the hard part, so you just have to pay like close attention. Now we're going to do the same for the next one. It's just a smaller one. And then we just place the thread inside the needle hole. And then just pull it back. Then place it under the presser foot, and we're done. I know on some machines you have to grab the bottom thread, but for this one you don't. You just sew. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.